Wow! Nice marine warning! You should be toting SPRs, but you know, the drugs are coming.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 12 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park to 10 nautical miles northwest of Quantico, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Pennsylvania State Park, Smallwood State Park, National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, and Alexandria.